For this problem, we are going to use the FOIL method. The FOIL method stands for first, outside, inside, and last. And that's just a mnemonic device to help us remember the terms that we should multiply here to use the distributive property, really. So we're going to take and we're going to multiply the first two terms. That's the 3 and the 4. So when we do the first, the F part here, we get 12. Then we're going to do the outside terms. That's the 3 and the square root of 2. So when we do the O, that's the 3 times the square root of 2. Notice I didn't multiply 3 and the 2. I multiplied 3 times the square root of 2, which means I have to put the 3 on the outside of the square root of 2. Then we'll do the inside terms. That's these two terms, the square root of 11 and a 4. And again, I've got to do the same thing. I can't actually multiply the 4 times the 11 because it's not 4 times 11. It's 4 times the square root of 11. And then let's do last. So we'll multiply the square root of 11 times the square root of 2. And this is where we actually can multiply those two numbers together. We can multiply the square root of 11 times the square root of 2 to get the square root of 22. Now, all of these terms here are going to be added together as part of our final answer. Remember that you cannot combine radicals unless they have the same number underneath the square root. So actually, this is my final answer. It cannot be simplified further.